Advise while we're in position.
Copy, John. What do you got?
Got AQ loading cargo into a barge.
That's your target. Get aboard and find out who they're working with.
Rog. Sentries on the perimeter.
Yeah, AQ guards all over the docks.
You'll need to take them out to get to the barge. You two get to work. Out.
All right, let's split up. I'll take the outside. You clean up the docks. Stay quiet. I'll meet you at the barge.
Check. On you, Cab.
One more on the first pier. Start with him. Any AQ left alive could be trouble. Kill him quiet. Work our way to the barge. Let's get this done.
Captain, I got a gun.
Go easy with him.
On topside.
Don't stay up there for long. They've got a patrol. Keep it up.
Watch your 1 to Bravo. Give me a sit rep.
Working our way to the barge. Burying Alcatala at sea.
Get in there as soon as you can. We may not have much time, John.
Got one on the dock. Dropped one.
Well done, mate. AQ's got another patrol boat. Take it.
Enemy down.
Good work, Sergeant.
Got 2.
Stay on it. Guys, that patrol boat needs attention. Take it if you can.
Roger that. One down.
Well done, mate. They lost you, Sergeant. Don't let your guard down.
Dropped one.
More where they came from. Guys, that patrol boat could be a problem.
Enemy down.
Good work, Sergeant. Guys, I'm near the barge. Get here when you can, but don't get careless.
Check. Almost there. Clear.
Right with you, Sergeant. Let's get onto that barge. Gates locked. On me. Laswell, we're about to board.
Copy. Tell me what you find.
Roger. Out. Listen. Spanish.
Sounds like
You said?
good to go.
Look at this. That's Almas. Mexican cartel.
The hell are they doing here?
Laswell, around using the cartel for transport.
Give me a name, John.
Las Almas.
Hassan's working with narcos.
Stand by. Narcos.
More cartel. All clear. It's his phone. Cartel's meeting with AQ.
Laswell, find Cafe Gracht. Something's about to go down.
When?
1 hour. Bravo 6 to what you want. Position at the cafe. 2 to table to my 3 o'clock. 1 cartel, 1 Iranian.
How cozy. What are they up to?
Conducting a transaction.
Electronically.
Affirm.
They're paying the cartel for something.
Let's figure out what.
Security?
Several.
I'll deal with them.
Well, don't take all the fun, eh?
Copy. Coming your way now.
Syringe.
Poison?
Non-lethal. It'll take him out of commission.
CIA shit.
Welcome to my world. Use the needle on the guards and we roll up our cartel friend.
And you?
Exfil. Say when.
Roger that.
06, sit rep.
Talking timeline.
When are they moving?
Tonight.
Stay on them. We need to know what it is and where it's going.
Copy.
Hold up. 2 cartel guards under the bridge.
Got a visual.
Keep your weapons concealed. Let's see if they split up.
Good call. One's leaving.
Heading my way.
I'll tail him.
I'll take the one at the bridge.
Moving.
Oh, easy, mate. What, too many, huh? Guards down. Bridge is clear.
Good work. Regroup on me.
What you want? The cargo is human. 1 VIP bound for the US.
Who, John?
Major Hassan Zayani.
Christ. That means he's in Mexico.
Means it's time to stop him.
We need to roll up our cartel friend for a talk. Now.
If Hassan gets a missile anywhere near the US, there'll be a death toll.
What's the call? There's guards all over him.
We haven't scouted the area. There could be more guards.
There's no time to case the area, John. We need a distraction.
I've got something. Meet at the cafe, guys.
Take it.
The bloody hell is this?
Decoy grenade. It'll work. Get back to Laswell. Let's kick this off.
Down the alley. When panic starts to spread, that's when the cartel moves.
That's where I come in.
On you, guys.
Going loud and clear.
Guys, the guards are incoming. Take one, I'll get the other.
Roger. Guards are down. Heading your way, Cap.
Make it fast.
I'll secure exfil.
Meet you at the bridge.
I'm moving in.
Shut your mouth. Follow me. What you want? Package secure.
Copy.
Hotel behind us.
Cover, Sergeant! What you want? Taking fire. 3 hostiles to our south.
Copy. I'm inbound. Be advised, police are on the way. 3 minutes out.
Clear.
Guys, bring the syringe. Jabbing. Let's get him up. Watch out. Time to move.
Copy. On my way.
Get him in.
Nice work.
You too.
We need to find where they're moving Hassan and intercept him.
Yeah, we'll wake him up. Have a little chat.
How do we know we'll talk?
I can be very persuasive.